video.
Shit.
Okay, guys, let's do this. So we found this at Walmart today, and as you see, there's like tape. You can't open it from the top, but you're very stupid. So yeah, the tape right here. But they're very stupid. So you go to the bottom, and you wash it. It's open. Yeah. So let's go to the first one. These are Jaru. How do you say it?
Jaru. Jaru toys.
Surprise toy. So it has a little cut. I like that. 4 and up. So open the first one and what's this?
Pinchy, pinchy.
Pinchy, pinchy. Hey guys, my pinchy, pinchy.
Pinchy, pinchy.
Jacob, what do you rate that?
Million.
Okay. I give it a 5 out of 10. Really, Jacob?
5 out of 10 and a million out of 10.
Next one.
Toy number 1.
Done. Toy number 2. Open this bad boy up and. What?
The expression on your face looks good. What is it?
Why is it skateboard? It's a skateboard with a hand.
Let's see some bad tricks.
What am I doing? No, can I do a trick?
Nice.
I'm bad at that.
This is gonna do a trick.
Oh my god. Jacob, no more pinchy. Get that away.
My pinch.
Jake.
Thank God for my
Okay, I'm gonna
pinch.
snap and this will be shot. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, hold on. There.
Oh, this is actually okay. Water gun. Oh, look at this. Jacob, what do you rate this? Oh, I forgot. I rate this guy. 4.
Yeah.
Yeah, nobody likes a fingerboard.
Next one.
No, Jacob.
Okay, let's look at each
Do
one.
the next one.
Oh, this is cool. Yeah, it looks kind of cheap. It's okay.
Well, did you tell everybody we spent $3 on the entire box?
Yeah, $3. This was crazy. Okay.
So if you're in Canada and you see these in your Walmart, they're on clearance for $3.
3, 2, 1. Let's see this.
Something stupid.
It's a car. Ooh.
Car with broken wheels.
Yeah, that's cool. Car with broken wheels.
And what are we rating that?
3. 3.
Well, it's a key car.
Oh, I thought it was a car with broken wheels.
No, you push the key in the back and it shoots.
So, let's do this. At the end, we'll play with all the
The key has to go in the little hole there.
Oh.
It has to go in there.
Next
It should
one.
clip in.
What's
This kind of sounds like you broke it.
This
Okay,
one
and
looks
then
like
you
the
pinch.
other one.
There should be something on the key you pinch, push down on, and it should shoot it out. Yeah,
It works.
it works.
Okay, next one.
Okay, I changed my vote from a 3 to a 7.
Oh, we're upgrading it.
Okay, Jacob? What is it?
Ooh, that looks good. Tractor.
Oh, and Jacob was playing Farming Simulator today, so that works.
Not sponsored.
Not sponsored,
Look
but
at
it's a good game. You should play it. Nice, nice. What kind of tractor is it?
That's what sponsors say.
alloy truck.
Oh, all right.
Extra.
All right, let's let the viewers pick the next bag, okay?
Yeah.
So you guys go ahead and reach in there, okay? And dig in there. And, oh, this one. Okay, good choice. Good choice. Who should we have open this one? This is a viewer's choice. Okay, Jax, you want to open it?
Yes.
The viewer's choice. All right, let's see what the viewers
See what
pick.
the viewers put.
It's a vehicle.
Motorcycle.
Wow. We should start here. Let's get rid of this stuff. We'll start lining up all
It
our.
has tiny wheels.
Like our
No, at the
collection.
end we'll do works the best.
You'll line them up? Okay.
Yes, the end.
So tiny wheel motorcycle, we
No,
got
we're
our
not
key
doing
car,
that yet.
and we still have the picture
Okay,
that
let's count
Jake-
how many we have left.
Yeah, because Jacob's got to do
1,
some more.
2, 3, 4, 5.
5 left. Okay, let's get the box.
This one's really good.
Let's get the box set up
No,
over
Jacob,
here
Jacob,
so
you wanna-
people can
Yeah,
see our.
I'm gonna do this one. It seems really good. I think.
Okay, let's see what Jacob gets here.
What is it? What is it? Oh, it's a bouncy
Some bouncy balls.
ball. Ooh, what's
Yeah!
that?
That's all right.
This one. That's a bouncy ball.
Okay, good. And Jacob just hurled it across the room. All right.
That was so far.
Hey, guys, the dog's gonna eat the bouncy ball.
I know he is.
Okay, let's get our toys back up here.
Okay, that was one. I'm doing that.
Bouncy balls. This is what we're getting so far.
One.
These aren't bad little toys so far. For
There.
One, two,
I think the
three.
Pinchy is the best. Oh, sorry, we're doing another one. Oh, the expressions on your face are perfect.
Wait, oh, this is cool.
Oh, kaleidoscope.
But
Look at the
very
light when you
creepy.
do it.
We can see you though, Di. We can
Oh.
see you through it.
It's not supposed to do that.
I can see you. There's like 3 little toys.
There's 3 little sparkles. Jacob looks very disappointed.
Next one.
All right, let's move on past that one. That one's a bad one. Jacob, come on. We need a good one. We haven't had a good one.
I didn't feel this one.
Well, our last good one was the bouncy balls.
Yeah, no. Oh, Jacob, did you even show anybody what it is? Or you just...
There's 2 dice in here.
It's dice.
Oh, dice. Okay. We need dice. They
Dice?
sound
No,
kind of
die.
die. A die. Well, if there's 2.
Grammar lesson. Grammar lesson. One
What?
dice is called a die.
Right. Okay.
Grammar lesson.
Okay. Jacob is firing through this. We're only got one left after this.
No.
And he got a pew. Oh, a jet. Okay. So we got I think we've got everything covered here. We have a tractor, a car, a motorcycle, and a jet.
Okay, ready, guys?
No,
All right, you doing it together? Or, no, yeah, I think Jax, I think you've done a lot.
Okay, guys, no.
Let's have the viewers vote. Oh, the viewers voted for Jacob. Okay.
Okay. Okay, 5. Everyone count with me.
Count with us.
3, 2, 1.
I ripped it off.
What is it? It's a bag. Imagine it was just a bag. Dun, dun, dun. It's the last one.
It is.
SpongeBob.
Wait, what?
It is SpongeBob.
No, it's not.
Oh, it's Connect 4. It's a little mini Connect 4 game.
No, it's not.
Be careful opening it, though. All the pieces might fall out.
What?
Yeah, here. Hold on. You have to slide it.
How does this work?
Here, you hold this for a sec. Turn it around. I'm going to let Jax take over the camera. See, this slides. Eee. Doesn't slide very good. There. And all the little pieces come out. Ah! That's what I didn't want to happen. And then you can... It's still stuck.
Wow. Look at me and my.
There. And then,
Jack's favorite color.
then you put your little game up like this. And some will be orange, some will be green.
Okay, I know.
And we can play a game of Connect 4. That's what you do with that.
Okay.
Oh, I like this. Can you
And then when you're all done, who's orange?
Me.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll get the orange ones on this side. Scooby, what are you doing?
Okay. You go, Jackie.
There's Jacob's colors. That's Jack's colors.
Okay.
So we're ending this video on an actual competition.
Yeah.
Who's gonna win?
Well,
Connect
no, we're
4?
not gonna end it. We're gonna do the worst of
I
us.
gotta rate it.
Hey, I go.
Oh no! Jake won.
What? How do you get it right along the bottom?
No,
No
no.
attacks. Careful.
Jacob, get that.
Okay, yeah,
Jacob,
grab
get
those.
that.
The dog's coming. He's coming.
Jacob,
He
grab
heard
that.
something fall. He's coming.
It's
No, there's a whole bunch that fell down.
There's one right over there. Go get it. Jacob's doing all the work. Hashtag Jacob doing work. Okay, you guys can comment down below which one you think the best. I'm just gonna show them all of them.
Okay.
You got this guy.
Well, what did we? You remember what order they were in?
You got him.
Remember, Pinchy was first.
Yeah, Pinchy. What was after Pinchy? I think it was this. Yeah, it was Pinchy and then this. No, Jacob, stop. Put Pinchy down. Can you hold it?
Yeah.
So you got Pinchy.
Here, I'll take
You
it.
gotta go, baby.
Jacob, put Pinchy
Which way
down.
are we doing here? We're going this way.
And then we got
Sorry
this,
for the bag.
right?
We got Pinchy, and we got the water gun and the fingerboard, and
And then what's after the water gun?
I forget now. It's okay.
No, I remember. You got this.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
The rocket car,
And then it was the motorcycle.
motorcycle.
Was it?
Yeah, sure.
And then it was
I
this.
don't think anybody else remembers anyway.
And then it was the kaleidoscope.
Let's go.
And
No,
then-
no, it was this before. Oh,
Yeah,
no.
Jacob knows. Oh. Yeah, let's see if we can get everybody to see what the
That's okay.
kaleidoscope looks like.
Okay, so
Oh yeah, here. You guys are experiencing this. Just like JX and Jacob would be.
GX.
Oh, there he is. I want to stay in the middle. There. Ooh. Okay, enough of that.
Okay,
Hey.
in a snap, all of these will be organized from worst to best. 3, 2, 1.
Go.
There, done. Organized and
Go, Scooby. Hey.
Scooby drop. Pause.
Did he get
Scooby drop. Sorry guys, technical difficulties. My dog just ate one of these.
This dog, Scooby. This dog right here wants to eat the bouncy balls.
Okay.
You can't eat
so
those.
First place was the dice.
Okay.
Don't get mad at us how we're rating this.
You tell us how you would rate it.
I like this.
Okay, we're
Jacob
moving.
put
The
that.
kaleidoscope got moved up. So
So
first
this?
is
Dice.
okay,
Because all you can do is this.
and they're kind of
One.
they sound bad. And then we got the fingerboard, which I don't know why that's second to last, but it's second to last. 'Cause it's still kind of fun to play with.
Yeah, that's okay.
We might change our mind on that one.
This is like
And then the little truck, which would probably go to one of our cousins. And then kaleidoscope,
I
yeah,
love,
you
which
guys seen that.
you guys experienced.
I
that.
love the kaleidoscope.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, and then these guys were in a tie because they're both basically the last thing. Like, see, they're
And we
both-
found out they're pullbacks.
let's
we didn't
do
know that.
speed. Okay, ready?
Okay, hold on. Let's get this. I'll get this one going too. Yeah, this one has to get going down there. Okay, ready? But this one doesn't burn out though. It doesn't get traction on the table. Ready?
Oh, did you
Jesse?
see that? It did a wheelie.
Okay. Scooby, don't eat that either.
They both did a wheelie.
Nice.
So I'm sipping in the background.
Yeah. So,
And yeah, Jacob's
and then
slipping
the
his.
water gun, because this is actually a working thing, right?
Yep.
It works.
I want
And
the
we can
water
play
now.
with it this summer.
And we got this.
And the rocket car. This the key. There used to be toys when I was a kid called key cars. Blazing key cars. They're like that, Jack.
Got it back. Okay. So, and then
And then now we're up to the top three here. So
Yeah.
top three.
I think the Pinchy was the.
Pinchy's pretty funny because you can pinch people with it
And then I think the bouncy balls because I just like
because
them.
they're always fun to bounce.
And then the Connect book.
And then we like the
Connect
Connect
4 was
Four.
the best, yeah.
And Jakey likes it because he won.
And it was the last one, right, guys?
Yep.
So the last one was the best, basically. Okay.
So what would you rate that overall? Now regular price is $12.99. What would you rate it at $12.99? A buy or no buy?
A buy.
Buy it at $12.99?
Maybe no buy.
Okay. Then what would you rate
It's
it
a
at the
lot of
price we got it for $3?
9 out of 10.
Yeah, so
Because
that-
look at
Bye.
So if you guys are in Canada and you go by your Walmart, check your clearance section. These will come up as $7, $7.97, but they actually ring up as $3.
Yeah.
And you guys can have 12 mystery toys to unwrap.
I'm gonna snap and the intro will start in 3,
Okay.
2, 1. Hope you guys enjoyed. Go check out these other videos and go to my friends' channels, Noah's Gaming and William Tuba. Hope you guys enjoyed. That was
And-
unboxing.
And there's one more channel that has barely any video. Subon's World.
Yeah, Subon's World. Go check that out too. Hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you in another video. Bye. Bye. Sorry guys, I know I just did the outro. It's been like 5 minutes now. I was just checking out the video and we looked in the bag. There was one more. See if we didn't miss any more. No more. So, this is like an extra. So Jacob's gonna open the last one. What's inside? What is it?
It just stares at you.
Oh, it's a finger puppet.
Oh
Oh, finger puppet. I love finger puppies.
Yeah, you put your finger through it.
Hey, my name is Joe.
Okay, give me that. Give me
I
that.
love it. I want my finger.
No, Jacob, I need that for a second.
Right.
First place.
Yeah.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is the real outro. That was. Wait, what? Surprises toy box. Jaru. I don't know. So that was the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you in another video. Bye.